how we can make a list in C++. So we add linked list, right? So class node, okay, or class list, class node, okay, node is better. So we define the data, integer data. Data can be name, email, but for the simplicity we use only data, right? And we have node pointer to link, okay, pointer to this node, this is the link, okay. And we have void append data, and we have node pointer, for example n1, node is n1, and we have integer number, okay, and inside it we have node, we have a temporary variable, this is a pointer to node, okay, and we assign the address, its address to temp, and if this is not pointer, this is n1, right? This is n1. If n1, pointer to n1 is null, okay, we will set in the beginning, we will set it to null, n1 will be null initially, right? If null, then pointer n1 is equal to new node, okay, new node will be created, and we have temp is equal to pointer to n1, okay. Now we want to check in the else part, okay, we have else part, and in the else part we have a while loop, okay, we loop through it, and if temp link, temp is node pointer, temp link is equal to temp link is equal to null, link is null, then we will have temp is equal to new node. Temp will hold the temp link, okay, temp and link, okay, this is inside the while. Now we have temp link of temp is equal to new node, this is else part, right? And we assign this link to temp, so temp link will be the temp, okay. So this is how we append the data in the node, append the node, okay. we append to the node, and after this now we assign the data. Okay, so temp data part, temp will pointing to the data part. Now data is we input the number. Okay, and temp link part of the node will hold null. Okay, so this is new node, so link part will be null. Okay, link part will be null. This is append data. Now we have to display, void display, and we have node and pointer to n1. This is node, right? We have while n1 is not equal to null, the last node. Okay, print all, right? And cout and l we should have n1 data. Okay, n1 data. So, and we assign the next node. The next node is n1 is equal to n1 link. We assign the, because this node has the link of next node, so next node will be printed, right? Now we, in the main, we have node. In the main we have node n1. Okay, node n1, and we assign n1 to null, so that our if condition and while condition is true. Okay, n1 is equal to null, so we cout new line elements of node, elements of node. Okay, append, we append the first data. This is and n1. We pass, because that is double pointer, we pass the address of this n1, and we have 10 value. Then we append, this is append data, and this is n1 pointer. This is class, right? So pointer to n1, it will call the append data, and n1 dot append data and n1 and 20. Now we append 20, and we display, we have n1 and append data and n1 and 30, and we display, we call the display function. Display will hold only n1, not the address, because single pointer. Okay, now we see whether it is working or not, right? So we have node, append node, node data is private. Okay, so we should place public, right? It is public. So you see elements of node 10, and we have 30, not 20. Why? We also appended 20 and 30 here is no 20 append data, and we append the data to data 20. We save it and we append the data 10 and 30. New node N1, then we have temp link is this, then we have new node and we assign the temp link. We have new node, assign the temp link, and we have number and we have link. So if it is appending two data types, then why not it is appending the third one? It is a problem. N1 data, and we have N1 is equal to null. Display N1. Let's close this and we and 30. Let's remove append one more N1, and we have append data and N1 and 40. We compile it. First and last node, it is showing first and last node. Why? This is not equal to so this is not equal to null, right? So 10, 20, 30 and 40, we have this. Now we have to insert the data in the beginning. Okay, so in the beginning we have void function and insert at start, insert at start, and we have node pointer to N1, and we have integer data, integer number. Okay, we will pass the number. We will insert at start of the list. Okay, we have temp, so we have node pointer to temp, and we allocate the memory. Temp is equal to new node. We allocate the memory. Now memory has been allocated. You can use malloc function also, malloc or calloc. Okay, size of the node is integer data and a link. Okay, of type node. This is the size of the data, and we have temp data part. Data part will be number. This is very simple. Data part is number, and we have N1 is equal to 10. Okay, This is insert at start. Now we have insert at start. Now we call, we have this. Now see out, new line, insert in beginning, insert at beginning, and we have n1 insert at start, insert at start. We should have insert at start, and we will pass the address of n1, and we will have, for example, we have data 50, okay, and we have another data n1 insert at start, and we pass the address of n1 and 60, okay. And now we call the display function, display, and we have in the display we have n1, okay. Now we compile it and see what is the output. So insert at the beginning, this is 60, okay, there is a problem. Insert at start, okay, insert at start will hold insert at start number, okay. So we have a data member number, and there is no link, okay. So temp link is equal to pointer to n1, okay. So now we will see, okay, you see 60 and 50 at the beginning, 60 and 50 at the beginning, 10, 20, 30 at the end, and 60 and 50 at the beginning. So we insert the data in the beginning. What if we want to insert at the end? Very simple, same, void insert, we should have insert after, okay, we should have insert after some value, after some location in the node, okay. So we add the courses, okay, we add the courses, we have a list of courses, and we add a course, we want to add a course after some course. What should we do? We have node pointer n1 integer location and integer the data number, okay. Now we have temp variable, okay, node temp, and for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than location, this is location, right? At what location we want to insert, and I plus plus, because after the location it will be inserted after the location, starts with 0, remember, starts with 0, not 1, okay. And we have n1 is equal to n1 link First of all, we will have a link, this link in the n1, and if, now we check if n1 is null, n1 is null. If n1 is null, what should we do? We should print less elements. Okay, if n1 is null, in the new line we should have less elements. Okay, so if we have no n1 is null, first link is null, then there are less elements. So this is now insert after. We have n1 insert after. Insert after, for example, we have insert after n1 and we have location, for example, after 2. We will add after 2, we have 100 after 2, 0, 1 and 2, and then we have insert after n1, and we have after 4, and we have 200. Okay, so these are the two locations. We have now cout, new line, insert after demonstration, and we have n1 and display, this is n1. Okay, now we compile it. So you see, there is a problem. It has not inserted anything. Why? We have not assigned the data. We have not assigned the data. Insert of, okay, this is link, and if, what if? Now we have not inserted the node. Okay, we have to insert the node. So temp is equal to new node. Okay, and we have temp, its data part is number, and its link part is temp link is equal to n1 link. Okay, so now the data will be inserted. So what should be the link of temp? The next, the data part. Okay, and we have n1 link is equal to 10. Okay, so link of the data will be temp link, and we will assign it to n1 link. Okay, now you see, okay, it has been inserted 2 times, 3 times, 102 times. So we should have a delete function, but it has been inserted after, for example, we have insert after. Now we want to see again the real functionality, because it has been inserted 2 times, and we should display it, copy, and we should paste after third location put 1000, and after sixth location put 2000. Okay, so 200. You see, now 2000 and 1000. It is inserting 3 times. 2000, 2000, 2000. Why it is inserting 3 times and then display this? There is some problem with our function, with our insert after function. Okay, so what should be the insert after? Okay, because this is inside loop. This is inside loop. It should not be inside loop. Okay, remember, it should if it is inside loop, then it will insert location times. Okay, so this is the problem. We have this, and we call again copy, and we should paste it after, for example, after 4 put 1, and after 6 put 2. Okay, now if we compile, okay, now after 4 put 1, after 4 means 1, 2, 3 and 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 this is 1. Then after 6 we have 2. After 6 we have 2. We have 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is how we add after, and we can easily delete. How to use delete? This is assignment for you, to delete the node. How should we delete the node? We should free the memory. Okay, so we should put the link and free the memory. Okay, free the node, or we should put the null inside the node. Then we should put the link, and we free that temporary variable. Okay, so we should have number. We should have number, and number. We should have number that deletes this number, right? So in when we add something, we have to delete it. We have to add in the list. After some location, we have to delete from the list. So this is how we manipulate the lists in using pointers in C. Okay, this is a simple class, very simple class. Only one integer data can be any. Okay, and there should be a link, and this should be private, and this number should be this dot number, this dot data. Okay, this dot data should be number. Okay, so we should put this dot here. if this is number, if this is data, then this dot data. This dot data means this class dot data. Data should be private, okay? Now we will see how stacks work. Stacks and queues work.